Hey guys, I made this video to say there's a tornado watch where I live in Kentucky, Florence, Kentucky. There might be a tornado, and so this is not a joke, for real. A warning just came on my TV, and we're like, you know those warnings? Every time I hear it, I die a little inside, so I just decided to make a video to calm me down, so enjoy. Mario! What, Luigi? What do you want, you stupid poop face? There might be a tornado. There's it in Kentucky. Don't we live in Kentucky? Ah! Oh my God! Oh, Luigi, I'm so scared. There might be a tornado. Oh no, Mario! Kiss my butt! No, you idiots! Screw you! God dang it! I hope this is calming the cameraman down. Look at him. Oh my God! What is he doing? Okay, whatever. Guys, there might be a tornado. We freaking know that, Sonic. Let's just sit down and watch TV. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh no, a stupid commercial. Next time I see a commercial, I'm gonna kill myself. Mario, I'm scared. Well, you should be, because we're probably gonna die today. No, Mario. Why? I'm faster than a tornado, so like I'll survive when you guys are dead on the ground, twisting in the twister. Ha ha. Oh, screw you, Sonic. You can kiss my booty. Oh yeah. If the tornado comes, you're hopping on my back and we're running the heck out of you. Yes, I kinda know that, idiot. So, can we stop kissing each other's butts? Oh my God, Luigi! Can you go like 5 seconds without saying butts? Yes, of course. Butts. God, dang it! I was being sarcastic. Oh, that means I can say it every 2 seconds. No! Butts. No, not the freaking tornado! Wait, what? I'm just kidding. Oh crap, I accidentally set your shoelace. It's gonna explode. Wait, what? Boom! Ha ha ha. Tricked you. God dang it, Mario. We need to be worried about the tornado here. No, we don't, Luigi. We're gonna be fine. Fine. Yeah, fine. Oh my God! There's a tornado! Yeah, we're kind of gonna die probably, so yeah. Let's try not to die, Luigi. Wait, I just called myself Luigi because your name is Luigi. Oh yeah.
Can you believe all those suckers in their babes? Ours only cost $3.99.
Burn. Yeah, we're gonna die. Oh my God, no we're not. Tornado! Okay, we're gonna die. Okay, let's make a plan, an escape plan. We're totally screwed. Panic!
That's right. Hey, Cyborg, hit me a wall now.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Oh, Mario, I just peed my pants, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I just farted. A little bit. I just pooped and farted at the same time. Okay, I feel calm now. Mario's brain. Oh my God, Mario's gonna die. If he does, we die. Yeah, I know, you stupid brain. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm supposed to be smart. Yeah. Oh my God, my brain and heart are freaking out. That means I freak out. Okay, I hope a warning doesn't come on. Every time a warning comes on, I will pee my freaking butthole off. Yeah, okay, whatever. We are so freaking dead, aren't we? Yep, I think so. Yeah. Let's just huddle up for our last thingies. Yeah, because we're gonna die. Yee. Just don't talk like us. You're not Italian. I know. I want to get under the butt. So I'll die last. No. Okay, whatever. Just shut up. Dun dun dun! Yay! We're all gonna die! Tornado watch! Yay! Dun 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 dun!